That is how you guys can also get free Tinder Gold using the Streamly app. Guys, there are ways that advertisers will pay you. Yo, what is going on, guys? Today, I'm gonna be sharing with you my method to get Tinder Gold for free, and all you have to do is do the stuff that you were normally gonna do. I'm talking watching YouTube videos, watching Twitch streams, maybe taking quizzes, whatever it may be, to go do those things. And it's basically the stuff that you were already gonna do. The Streamly app, and it will reward you for watching YouTube videos, watching streams, all that kind of stuff right here. And I mean, what more could you want? Is available pretty much on every device: Android, iPad, iPhone, the works. It works on all of them. I tried it on my buddy's Android yesterday and it worked there. So once that was done, I was like, all right, I gotta make a video on this. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how you can turn that into Tinder Gold. Okay guys, so right here is the Streamly app. We're gonna go ahead and open this up right here, and it should kind of bring you to this little menu right here. You can watch streams. As you can see, these Twitch streams right here. You can watch a lot of Twitch streams that are on this right here. There's kind of a ton of stuff that's on here. You could also watch YouTube videos, which is traditionally what I do. I mean, you can watch so many things. This Max Fosh video, I was already gonna watch that, but now I can get paid to watch that, which, like, duh. Why would I not do that? You can watch music videos, compilations. You can even watch, like, time lapses or world records things. There's so much cool stuff on here that you can literally get paid to watch. So, I mean, yeah, then you're going to want to go to the withdrawal screen. And at that point, guys, there's a couple of options right here, but Tinder's the one we're going to be on right here. And guys, you can literally just put that withdrawal address, and then it is going to mail you or email you a gift card. And so I'm going to go ahead and hit this withdrawal button right here, but I'm going to hit this cancel button because I'm actually saving up for something right now. But I can even show you on my withdrawals right here. A couple of days ago, I actually did do this, Tinder plus 1 month right here. And if I even show you on my Tinder profile, where is it? There it is. I can go ahead and just show you right here that actually, I do indeed have it. So if we can scroll on down, you can see that I do have Tinder Gold, which is pretty nice. So yeah, my Tinder Gold, yeah, it's pretty cool and it works pretty seamlessly. But you're probably wondering how you actually get this app. Type that in, hit go, and that's going to bring you here, guys. As you can see, all of this stuff is right here. All of the download is right here, and you can just click through these links to get your Tinder Gold. You can get whatever you are looking to get, and it is absolutely no cost. You just need to watch the YouTube videos that you were already going to watch. That is how you guys can also get free Tinder Gold using the Streamly app. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video, and hopefully you guys have fun.